Ice melting is actually an amazing art form. It's really fun to play with. And today I have 2 rainbow ice cube trays to show you how it works. One of them is brand new. The other one has been used quite a bit. Now, I put these in the freezer about 24 hours ago, and they're ready to be taken out. Right. The first thing you need is your ice cube tray. I have 2 different ones here for you. You need a hot pot of water and some food coloring. I have 4 different colors here: red, blue, yellow, green, and purple. If you don't have that color, you can always mix 2 colors together to make the other colors. Of course, we need our ice to melt. So let's start off with our first ice cube tray. So this one is completely brand new. We're going to take out the ice cubes, and then set this right over top of our hot water. Now, if you listen closely, you can actually hear the ice cubes sizzling away. That's because there's still hot water in the bottom of the pot. So what we do is use our spoon to get all that hot water, and we pour it on top of the ice cubes. Now we just took a little bit of time to let the ice cubes melt, and now we can see our first rainbow. It melted pretty fast. Let us go ahead and fill up our cup all the way to the top. And there you have it, a beautiful rainbow in a cup. Now let's try something different. We're going to use this second ice cube tray. This one has been used quite a bit, so the silicone is starting to fall apart, but it still works perfectly fine. And we're going to go ahead once again and take out our ice cubes. Now, before we put this over top of the hot water, I want to show you something cool. Look at that really cool pattern. These look like little mini pizzas. Look at that one. It looks just like a cheese or pepperoni pizza. What do you think? Anyway, let us go ahead and put this over top of the hot water, and once again, pour all that hot water on top of the ice cubes. Now, let's see what happens when we have 2 different colors at the same time. This should be interesting. That's crazy. Isn't that crazy how fast that's melting? Look at that. There goes our yellow, and there goes our orange. Do you see the orange? There it is. And we even have a little bit of pink in there, and there's our rainbow. Let's take a look at that. Once again, just like the other cup, let's fill this one up all the way to the top. And there you have it, just like magic. Your rainbow is ready to drink. And of course, you can keep on making more rainbows until all your ice cubes are gone. This is a really fun activity to do with your friends and family. It's really fun for a date. You could even bring this to a party. I guarantee that everybody will be asking you how you did it. And the best part about it is that you don't have to clean very much. All you have to clean is a cup and a spoon. And of course, you can use these ice cube trays over and over and over again. Another thing that you can do with this is you can actually use it for a science experiment. You can experiment with which color melts first, which color stays cold the longest, and things like that. And I have done that with my kids. They had a lot of fun with that. It's a great learning experience for them. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're looking for more fun summer drinks, click that video on screen now. And as always, thanks for watching.